Monday morning, and guess what? It's raining. I just left my house. I had 2.4 inches in my gauge. I'm pulling here into the farm now. I've got a load of corn on the truck I'm going to haul up to Purdue this morning, since there's not much else I can do, but I want to ride over here to the rain gauge and see how much is down here. I know it's well over 2 inches based on the water that is laying around here. What? Wait a minute. That's not right. Well, not quite 1.5 inches. Wow, unbelievable, because there's a lot of water around here. Well, it's still way too much. We did not need it, but not much I can do about it. All right, let's jump in the truck and haul some corn. Yeah, look at that water laying in the field. They finished shelling that corn a couple days ago, and then did a light disking to it and planted something. I assume they planted wheat in that field, and I don't think they got all of it planted, actually. Well, when I, do I have chocolate on my face? I just finished eating a candy bar. Hershey's dark chocolate, that's the best. When I came down here yesterday morning, I thought the rain was almost over with. And what did we have, 1.5 inches in the gauge? But no, it rained all day long. And, okay, that's not as bad as I thought. 2 inches. 2 inches in this gauge. But at my house I had 3.67 inches. A neighbor, how far away? About a mile up the road from here, I talked to him this morning. He had 2.8 inches. So I guess the further north you went, the more it was. So 3.67 inches at my house. I'm about 6 or 7 miles north of here. A mile north of here, 2.8 inches. Right here, 2 inches. Regardless, it's 1.5 inches too much, said no one ever. And it's gonna keep us out of the fields for, I don't know, a couple of days, I guess. The sun has finally come out. Yay, after how many days? 3 days. I think there's a cool front coming through. Wind is supposed to blow this afternoon from the northwest, so that will help dry things out some. But it's still going to be 2 days getting in the field. So I think I will go down, put a load of corn on the truck so I can take that into Purdue in the morning. And then that should give me enough room in the bin to finish shelling corn once I can get back in the field. And then once I load the corn, I guess I'm going over to the house. We're cleaning everything out of the house, getting it ready to rent. So I think today I will get into the attic and start throwing stuff away. Yeah, that's been a job, but my daughter has been doing most of it. Okay, let me get the show on the road here. Yeah, looks like I've got to bail some water before I can pull any corn out of the bin. Oh boy. Okay, all done. Okay, we just about got another one in the truck. So until next time, see ya!